Good morning, students. Instead of reading the email today, you can just watch the video. So we have our second lesson on the murder of George Floyd. It's titled I Can't Breathe Part 2. Yesterday, it was like an intro lesson. Today, you're actually going to respond by creating something. So I'm asking you to read one more article. This one's a little longer. It comes as a collection of little articles put together by the New York Times. So you click this link here to read the article. After you've read that article, you're just going to do the same thing as yesterday. Answer 3 of the questions. So there's the first 3 here on this first page, and there's 2 more on the second page. You get to choose whichever ones you want to respond to. I'd say choose the most interesting questions. Those lead to the best responses. Some of you may just want to pick the easiest ones. Either way, please use complete sentences, all right? This is, I think, the fun or the interesting part of the lesson. You're going to have to create something. So on slide 5, you get to choose what you want to create. So you can either choose a blackout poem, which I explain what that is in the video, so please watch that, but there's an example of it over here. Basically, you get a big, long chunk of text, and you choose certain words that you want to emphasize, while the rest of it just turns black. So it ends up being like a very short poem. You don't actually have to write anything. You are just choosing which words you want to select. So there's a website here. You can click that. That's how you'll create the blackout poem. And there's a video, which I'm asking you to watch. It's just like 3.5 minutes of me explaining how to use the website. So that's option 1. Option 2, is you can write verses to a song or rap. So we all know hip hop and songs in general are just used to express how we're feeling. A lot of you mentioned that 2 weeks ago when we looked at West African music. So if you want to pick a song and write your own verse or write your own lyrics, go ahead and do that. I linked in a Spotify playlist here where it has a lot of like classic hip hop beats, both all the words removed. So feel free to do that. Or option number 3 is you can do your own thing. Just email me first so I can make sure that that it works or that is acceptable. But either way, whatever you do, whether you make the blackout poem, whether you write lyrics to a song, or whether you do your own thing, I'm asking you to, on slide 6, put it here. All right, so you need to be able to take a picture of your work or copy and paste the lyrics that you wrote here. If you write lyrics, please tell me what song that you wrote the lyrics to. So, I don't know, if you use a song by One Direction and you just rewrite the lyrics, please tell me that it's a One Direction song so that I can go listen to that song and then try and figure out where your lyrics are. If you choose a Kendrick Lamar song, please tell me the Kendrick Lamar song that you are writing the lyrics to. Okay, I'm going to be able to hear it and put it together. Otherwise, that's pretty much it. Look forward to seeing your stuff. And I look forward to you being able to use the energy that you have in this subject, whether that's energy that comes out of frustration or anger or sadness, and actually create something. I think that's what anger can be used to do. All right. Have a good day.